everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjani and thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you are someone who hasn't already subscribed yet, I would really suggest you just take a moment and subscribe to my channel. The link in the description box below. It will really mean a lot to me and it'll help me grow my family a little bit more. But today's video, if you haven't already read by the title, today I am going to be sharing my favorite looks that has been created by my favorite blogger up till now, which is this one. This is by Bruno. If you don't know who Bruno is, this is she. She's an influencer, blogger, a Gujarati girl, and a lot more. So I will have the links of her Instagram as well. But today I really wanted to recreate this look. This is a very bad angle to show, but this is the look that we are going to be recreating. It's a nice golden black smoky eye sort of a look, which is kind of a graffiti graphic liner, just so we can say. So I really wanted to recreate this look, but today's look is not any other normal makeup recreation, but today I am also going to be sharing my drugstore favorites that I swear by all the time. And these are something like the products that I'm going to be sharing are something you can also get into your vanity if you're just starting off with makeup and stuff, and it is totally budget friendly. So I'm really excited to try this out and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so we'll start by priming our eyes first very quickly, and for that I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. If you guys know me for a while, you know how much I love this concealer. I rave and talk about this concealer in each and every video of mine. Agar ye concealer nahi hota hai, to it is going to be definitely the sugar concealer that I use in most of my videos as well. These two concealers are something which is very affordable and gives you the effect of something very expensive and bougie, if I make sense. So this is basically more into highlighting and yellowish sort of a feel, where this is the skin tone of your skin tone, but a lighter version, if I make sense. So okay, yeah. So I've got you guys a bit more closer so you can actually see how the eye look is going to go. So if I go to see in detail, her आई शेडो में जो ट्रांजिशन पे जो कलर लगाया उसने ब्लैक और ब्राउन और लाइट ब्राउन का इफेक्ट देके किया है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना डू द नॉर्मल थिंग दैट आई डू व्हेन आई डू माय आई शेडो, द क्रीज एंड ट्रांजिशन. सो आई एम गोना बी स्टार्टिंग ऑफ बाय पिकिंग अप this shade right over here. It's a nice brown, but a nude brown, and I'm just going to concentrate this color in my crease as my transition shade. Okay, with the same brush, I feel I am going to be picking up this dark brown shade right over here. This one, and with the same brush, I'm just gonna pat this product underneath that color that we applied earlier, and this time I'm just gonna flick the color out a little bit. It's okay if that out इधर का जो है वो थोड़ा messy होगा, वो चलेगा. We are anyways gonna blend it out. So I'm just gonna. Okay, so now for a little bit more precision, I'm gonna take a pencil fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to take this shade right over here and a little bit of this one, just to give an extra depth to my eyes a little bit more. So I'm just gonna place this product just below the color that we applied earlier, and I'm gonna drag it downwards like so. So I'm placing the product like that, and I'm taking the same brush that we used earlier, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, so that's everything when it comes to the transition shade and stuff like that. Moving on to the eyelid color, I am going to be picking up this gold shade right over here with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna put this color where she has put, which is basically in my inner, starting from my inner corner and dragging my way outwards. So that's what we are going to be doing. Okay, so that's everything for the golden part. Now over here, if I can see, she has deepened out the outer corners with black and the browns. So we are going to be doing the same color palette that we used on our transition. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that black and brown, and I'm going to start by deepening out my outer corners. Okay, so that is everything for the eyeshadow up till now, and if I can see in detail, Zada, she has done a wing liner and she's made into a graphic liner. So I'll do the wing eyeliner using my Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Eyeliner. This is one of her favorites as well, so and it's kind of mine as well. So I'm just gonna do my normal wing eyeliner and okay, so the liner is done and this is how we are looking up till now. And if I can see that she is blending the liner a little bit with the black inside, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna take the same black shade and I'm just gonna drag it inwards like so, and with a nice fluffy brush that we use, the pencil one, I'm just gonna blend it out like that, like so, and with a clean brush I'm just gonna blend it out like that. Okay, so that's done. Now we will do the liner that she's taken it into her crease, वो जो graphic part जो मैं बता रही थी. So for that actually I am going to be using my Lakme iconic eyeliner that I rave about in most of my videos. So I'm not gonna talk through this process. So what I am basically going to do is, ये जो लाइनर का जो पॉइंट है ना, वो मैं उसको अंदर की तरफ खींचूंगी बहुत पतली और बहुत पेशेंस के साथ. So I'm just gonna show you and not talk. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've kind of made a line as a guideline and I'm just gonna clean it out. I know थोड़ा messy है, पर थोड़ा सा cleaning की ज़रूरत है and then we are done. So this is the eye look, complete and nice. I'm really happy with how it has finally turned out. Now we will quickly move on to the face because we have to start moving on to the face. Okay, so first thing we are going to be using is the primer. For primer I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth primer. I have used this 1,000 times and raved about this primer 1,000 times, so I have nothing much to say. And फॉर अ कोइंसिडेंस ये ब्रूनो का भी फेवरेट प्राइमर है. मैंने ऐसा सोच समझ के नहीं किया है बिकॉज दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट प्राइमर एज वेल, हर प्राइमर एज वेल. सो या बट आई डोंट नो, समटाइम्स आई फील मी एंड ब्रूनो आर वेरी सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ, बट वो भी गुजराती है, मैं भी गुजराती हूँ. उसको भी टैटूज़ बहुत पसंद है, मुझे भी टैटूज़ बहुत पसंद है. उसको भी मेकअप बहुत पसंद है, मुझे भी मेकअप बहुत पसंद है. उसको उसके हेयर के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करना पसंद है, मुझे भी पसंद है. तो पता नहीं, बहुत ऐसे similarities हैं. Bruno, if you're seeing this, I am in one of your DMs. Not being a creep, but yeah. Okay, so moving on to base, we are going to be using the Fit Me range by Maybelline today. We also use the Fit Me primer. Anywho, so we are going to start by using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 230. Followed by the concealer in the shade 10 and followed by the loose powder which is in the shade 15. No, they have not sponsored me to say all this. It's just that I have been using these products for years, and whenever I start to experiment with a new foundation, I always switch back to this. I don't know, there's something about this foundation that has just put me कि भाई तू मेरे पास ही आने वाली है वापस. ऐसा कुछ है इस प्रोडक्ट में, मेरे को पता नहीं. मैं मतलब जब से I have started doing my makeup now, I have been coming back to this foundation all the time. If not this, then it is the Maybelline का Super Stay, but ये दोनों में से कोई एक तो फाउंडेशन रहता ही रहता है. तो I will quickly do my regime and I will be right back. Moving on to bronzing and contouring our face. For that, today we are going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. Contour, I used to use this a lot in the past, then I stopped using somehow, I don't know why. So I'm just gonna contour and bronze my face using the same product, using an angle brush like this, and I'm just gonna start by contouring my face like that. This product is honestly amazing if you're someone who is looking for a bronzer slash a contour product which is not harsh on your skin that much. This is the something you should go for, and comes with a powder like this. So if you're contouring and if you want to clean it out, you can use this powder just to clean that contour and make it more sharp, if that makes sense. So I really love this product, and this retails for how much rupees? I believe it retails for 499. भाई और क्या बोल सकते हो तुम. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be using this PAC blush in the shade 005. This is again one of my favorite blushes. If you're someone who's looking for a very natural blush and very affordable ones, you can go for these, or you can go for the Maybelline Fit Me. So yeah, today I feel like using this, so I'm just gonna. Okay, so for highlighter, the most affordable highlighter and the best affordable highlighter is this one. This is by Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Glow Gold Shimmer Brick, and this is in the shade Good Old Gold. And I just take a mix of everything, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna put it on my cheekbone. This really reminds me of the Bobbi Brown shimmering bricks that used to get earlier. You see that? Oh, it's just amazing. And hardly details for how much, 499 or 299 or ऐसा कुछ pricing है. तो भाई उसके लिए तो this is. Okay, so lastly for lips, Bruno had a very nice neutral lip. So for that, I'm going to be using these two shades. So the first one is the PAC Retro Matte Gloss, and this is in the shade 43 Chocolate Martini, followed by the Faces Ultimate Pro Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade, what shade is this? There's no shade, but no, Wrapped Up 15. So that is the shade. So it's a nice brown sort of a shade. I've almost hit pan on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first put this dark shade like so. I'm gonna blend out like that, and I'm gonna take that brown shade that we used earlier with a lip brush, and I'm just gonna merge those two colors. Come to an end of this video, and this is the final look. To be honest, I am obsessing over this look because I just can't believe and imagine that I have finally recreated this look, and I'm really happy with how it has turned out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you learned something from this video and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big like and also subscribe to my channel. The links in the description box below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video next time. Bye everyone.